Tampa Bay has a dynamic community impact model that works. Strong community buy-in, political and economic development, a committed physician community, a well-positioned Rio, an existing MISUS stronghold, ready to be leveraged for rapid success. A strong MISUS channel partner that has a scalable, replicable, and sustainable model. In short, Tampa Bay will provide the most effective utilization of your funds. The Tampa Bay Rio is an initiative of the Tampa Bay Partnership Regional Research and Education Foundation, a regional organization focused on education and research pertaining to economic growth and viability in the Tampa Bay region.
The Tampa Bay Rio supports efforts to bring funding and resources to connect healthcare providers in the Tampa Bay region. We are pleased to support DAS in their grant application to the MISUS Center for Community Health Leadership, and we are excited about the opportunity this grant will create for the Tampa Bay Rio to work with DAS.
MISUS representation in Tampa includes a key creator and supporter of numerous pilot programs, someone who already provides tools and training for the rest of the country. As a result, MISUS currently enjoys a nearly 10% market share of all practicing physicians in the region, with close to 500 physicians using MISUS in Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. This is critical to gain early success and leverage the physician base to reach the tipping point. And that physician base is already committed to making the model work.
We are a MISUS power user and have been using MISUS Tiger and EMR for over 4 years. The combination of MISUS and our local partner, DAS, has provided us with the tools and expertise to effectively grow our practice, now expanding into new offices. We would absolutely benefit from being able to connect to the community and are fully in support of the Connect program.
Cornerstone Medical Care Brandon and Sun City Center is our primary care office, and we've been using the MISUS suite of products for over 3 years. We're really excited about seeing MISUS Connect come into our community because we know that it's going to improve the efficiency and the cost effectiveness of care, but most importantly, it's going to improve the overall quality of care for our patients across the entire delivery system, and that's something that our physicians and I are so excited about, and we're ready to begin.
At Tampa Surgical, we are just completing our conversion to MISUS Tiger from our old medical manager system and cannot be more pleased with MISUS and DAS. We are looking forward to deploying MISUS EMR, which will really take us to the next level. As surgeons, it is critical that we have the ability to share information with our patients' primary care physicians, as well as the hospitals and surgical centers, and I can't even begin to imagine the positive impact that this new program will provide. We can't get there fast enough.
Doctors Administrative Solutions, one of MISUS's strongest partners, is both a channel partner and certified solutions partner. DAS is the partner that MISUS turns to for its toughest implementations. Our management team is experienced in large-scale, rapid growth environments. Add to this a world-class advisory board, and you have a local partner that can manage the community impact to ensure a rapid and resounding success.
Tampa Bay is an emerging technology hub, as evidenced by over 400 TBTF member companies. What we've seen in our technology community is that good ideas exist everywhere. What differentiates long-term success, however, is strong execution, and DAS certainly has proven its ability to make things happen.
By combining an ambulatory connection component with an EMR ASP model, DAS ensures an ongoing and sustainable business model. It also maximizes the leverage of your funds, gaining 50% more physicians access to grant-funded software. And with the DAS dashboard, real-time information is available to the foundation to show results. The Tampa Bay model focuses the vast majority of grant funds on the physician ambulatory component, gaining the most grassroots support.
Helen Ellis Hospital is committed to making the DAS program work in our community, and we are willing to reprioritize as necessary to make this one of our top 3 projects in 2007. Our focus is improving physicians' ability to connect with each other as well as with the hospital. This will help to improve patient care and safety and places us at the forefront of healthcare technology.
Tampa Bay offers an impact model that works. A great location, strong community buy-in, a well-positioned Rio, an existing MISUS stronghold, a strong local partner that can successfully manage the community impact with a model that is sustainable, replicable, and leverages your funds to their maximum advantage. The next stop on your road to success is Tampa Bay.